Chapter 3. Parts of a computer. Parts of a computer. Just like a human body, a computer also has many parts. All the parts of a computer are joined together. A computer is made up of 4 main parts: a monitor, a CPU, a keyboard, a mouse. Let us learn about the main parts of a computer. Monitor. This is a monitor. It looks like a TV screen. It shows what we do on the computer. We can watch movies on it. CPU. This is a CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. It controls all the parts of the computer. So, it is called the brain of a computer. The CPU is protected in a case called as the CPU box. Keyboard. This is a keyboard. It has several small keys on it. There are alphabet keys, number keys, while other keys have symbols on them. A keyboard is used to type letters and numbers. Mouse. This is a computer mouse. It is named so because it resembles a mouse in shape. It has 2 buttons and 1 scroll wheel. It helps us to point out different things on a monitor.